do drugs sometimes only, like 2-3 times a week. You'll be like, she's so cool, yeah. 2-3 times a week drugs bhi karti hai, kitni cool hai. But if I say I chant every day, it's like, it sounds like a fanatic thing. But now jo hai wo hai. I am this person and I do chant every day and I don't do drugs. So
सच बोलना कड़वा होता है. Anyway, it puts you into a problem. And even if you're more so if you're a woman. Why?
I have noticed if you have male genitalia, you're treated differently in the world. And if you don't have a penis, you're not.
Who is Ada Sharma?
I think I'm like a crow. Crows you never see romancing publicly.
With pigeons you see them romancing.
They're
all the time.
only like having threesome.
You said, how does a girl like me land up with Kerala Story? What does that mean?
I've always had that, but that skill and talent can be there and it can be at home, no? It was there in 1920 also. But then after 104 years, I got Kerala Story. I'd read somewhere that very intelligent people get bored easily. And I'm never bored. CC hissing hair things. I knew. Kya? Yeah. So that is okay. Because otherwise, no. Otherwise, I will have to be putla and sit. I have told people, if I move, hair will move. And I don't use product on my hair, so it will not stay. Even if she does this now, it's gone. I will not let her use product because I had acne and now I keep thinking I have acne.
What acne you had? You had like...
Rosacea. Rosacea, alright.
Rosacea.
I don't know how you pronounce it, okay.
Even I don't know, I'm just...
Okay, but I had a mixture of that and cystic acne and so I don't let anyone use product on my hair or on my face.
Does it show up on the skin?
I get little sometimes, but I had
The
very
moment
bad
you use.
before. No, now it's become psychological and my mind is very powerful. It can manifest boils on my face. She's seen. I'm not lying. I'll say it's coming and 3 will come. I can produce boils. Other actors can produce content and movies. I produce boils. You can watch it.
That's a good line. Happen. That's a good hook for our show as well. Is there anything that we cannot speak about?
No, I think in the past year, especially after Kerala Story, I have grown. I think I've grown to a place where I'm capable of handling the toughest, which I would find the toughest. Because when you're an actor and you go to say, promote a movie or talk about your forthcoming release. This is before the release. And imagine like I'm on a news channel and usually, actors or their manager and all will say, isko ye poocho, ask her how she got her performance or jo bhi, right? About your performance or about, that's what you want to show off most as an actor, right?
Correct.
And I was asked, wo jo 32,000 का आंकड़ा जो आपका है, जो आप फिल्म में कह रही है कि आप दावा ले सकती है अदा शर्मा जानने के लिए देखिए ब्रेक के बाद. So those were the questions asked to me. And it doesn't feel very nice at the pit of your stomach. You have like a feeling like that. But I think after that I've learned to dodge. I don't know, try me today. Ask. Pooch ke dekho.
How was Mahakumbh? You were at the Mahakumbh as well.
I was.
How was it? How was the entire experience?
It was lovely. I think I'm so fortunate to have gone and performed there at the opening. I think it's such a fortunate feeling. For me to be there, and I got to meet so many people. I decided to keep my camera away and not film each thing, so I could experience it. And I got to meet these girls who do the Ganga Aarti, the whole with the, it's really tough, and girls doing it, these dancers who come from Orissa, these artisans from West Bengal who make, the whole structure of the Kumbh is going to be taken off in the next 40 days. Like, wo wahan hoga hi nahi. It'll be a maidan jahan pe kuch nahi hai. And the whole thing of having this, like inside those tents there are chandeliers and all in those akhadas. It's a whole proper thing with cloth and thermocol and it looks like a mahal, and in 40 days it's going to be entirely not there. So the temporary I was very in awe and enamored, so I thought I should keep my camera away and experience everything. I gave other people selfies on their cameras, but for me I thought I should.
I saw your posts. You mentioned you were very, in general I feel on Instagram, as much as I've seen you in interviews, as much as I've seen you, I think you're very raw and very candid, and you put that out in the caption only. कि मैं फ्लाइट में बैठी हूँ, मेरे को नहीं पता कि
yeah, I was typing so fast, so I was like, yeah.
Ignore the typos.
I tried to keep, that's the only place where we can be real as actors. We want to be someone else so hard And I work every day really hard for each of my characters to sound different, look different, think different, feel different, react to situations differently from me. I almost don't remember who I am so many times. And we work so hard to do that. So then
Right.
like Instagram for me is a fun place. It's supposed to be a light thing that's just, where
We'll
you
come to
interact.
this, but I want to come back to the Mahakumbh experience again. What is it that was the most fascinating part for you, or something that took you in awe? Like, oh wow, this is great.
I think those artisans, what they made, yeah, those thermocol carvings. I've not put. I took a video of that, like in detail. And I'd send my mom also. They've like carved it in thermocol. I can't explain. It just sounds so not as impressive as it is. I don't know. In words, I'm not able to.
But just close your eyes, just visualize you
That's
are
what I'm saying.
in.
It was so beautiful, and I don't have to close my eyes to do it because the moon was in the sky, and they had made the whole. And when I went to touch it, it was thermocol, and I thought that's so beautiful. And they told me in 40 days. My mom stayed for 40 days the last time
Wow.
in the Kumbh. She stayed there for the whole 40 days, and she told me when it was over, like there's nothing, and it's back to the Maidan.
That is pretty crazy. I mean,
It's very cool.
for a couple of months, like for around 2 months, the establishment
months.
stays,
Yeah.
and then it's just all gone the next 40 days. It's
Yes.
crazy. How spiritual are you?
I would like to believe very.
Give me like an instance where you've. So, do you believe in a higher power? Do you believe in religion, or do you believe in spirituality or God as an entity?
So I think for me the lines are blurred. It's all one. I know that's probably not the coolest thing to say because nowadays if you tell someone I'm religious, it's considered that like you're a fanatic. And if you're spiritual, it's cool because spirituality is cool. But religious is like, I'm not religious. But if I say, I do drugs sometimes only, like 2-3 times a week, you'll be like, she's so cool, yeah. 2-3 times a week drugs bhi karti hai, kitni cool hai. But if I say I chant every day, it's like, it sounds like a fanatic thing. But now jo hai wo hai. I am this person and I do chant every day and I don't do drugs. So for me the lines, it's the same thing, spirituality and religion, because my religion is spirituality. My religion tells me to be kind to people. So I will be kind to people around me on set, in the open, when the cameras are off, when the cameras are on, at all times, because I believe that there is the higher power has a CCTV camera on you at all times, and not just when the cameras are on.
So you believe there is a higher power that is guiding you
Definitely.
throughout and through in
Yeah,
terms
yeah.
of wherever you do, whatever
I'm
work
here.
you're doing.
For me, every single thing that's happened in my life is divine intervention. Every single thing. And I believe that. I mean, I'm this person who's landed up with movies like 1920 and Kerala Story. Kerala Story, like how it's just... and then to do, say, Sunflower after that, it's all divine intervention. How does someone like me get stuff like that? And I also... you look around you, there are girls and boys who come, every single day with these dreams, and none of their dreams get fulfilled. There might be like a 1% of people's dreams that get fulfilled because everyone's here to get Kerala Story, right? That's what they want, to be the lead and headline a movie. And everyone is like, everyone's so beautiful, everyone is so handsome, everyone has perfect teeth, perfect eyebrows, perfect hair, perfect skin, everyone's trained in dance, action and acting, everyone's come trained, no one's doesn't know what they're doing. And I got to do that. I got to do all these things. That's divine intervention. Yeah.
No, but I want to I want to come back to your answer. You said how does a girl like me land up with Kerala Story? What does that mean?
That from that 1% of people who got a chance to do it, I was that 1%, no? I was that person who got to be sitting here like with you, and you said I want to do a podcast with her. Suppose that I got to be that person.
But why do you think this is lack of self-belief, or do you think this is entirely on luck?
No, I have huge self-belief and I don't have any doubt about my skill and talent. I've always had that, but that skill and talent can be there and it can be at home, no? It was there in 1920 also. But then after 104 years, I got Kerala Story. It was 1920, 2024 Kerala
This is
Story.
one line you always,
Yeah,
you'd never miss out.
because it feels it's 104 years after 1920 to get a Kerala Story. It was not like it happened in the next month.
Sure.
So it did happen, but it did happen.
Yeah.
And I got to do. I've done other stuff also. I mean, I've done like Commando and all are also cool things that I've done. And I've done so many films in the South that I'm very proud of all the work I've done, music videos or ads or anything.
So you place luck over talent.
No, I think that when luck strikes, you have to be so ready with your talent that you have to shine. Because then when luck strikes, if you're not ready with the talent, then that luck is waste.
Do you think hard work is always rewarded?
Rewarded, it depends on your definition of reward. What is rewarded?
What are you working towards?
Exactly, what are you working towards?
So if I ask you,
If you're saying, if I say my hard work is to make my characters say as believable or as real as possible, and I'm working to make my performances look as natural as possible, then that hard work definitely 100% will be rewarded. Because if I work on that character and work on the script and work on my lines and work on the emotion or think and work on being in the moment and present at all times, so that when I have to be present on set, when there are distractions around, I can still be present in the moment. All that hard work that you do works will definitely be rewarded. If you mean the reward is only to get an award for that, I don't know if that will translate exactly to. Or
no,
what
I'm not even talking about the awards. Say,
no, I mean, or what, like to get the box office. I don't know what. If you're
Maybe
saying
in terms
hard work
of-
to performance, yes, I can guarantee you. If you put in the hard work, you will really shine in whatever you're doing. If it's music, if you're playing the piano and you practice a piece, 25 times every night, I promise you, in the next month, you will play that piece so beautifully that now whether you get to play that piece on a stage, and I don't know.
what's your greatest fear?
I have many.
Like, what's your biggest fear in life?
I have my biggest fear is, those pipes on the road, those huge pipes
Yeah.
put underground.
Huh?
So to be stuck in Bhujangasana in it, understood? Not this way with my back. This way.
Huh? That's your fear. That's your biggest fear.
Dude, imagine that. Are you
I'm
kidding me? And not this way. The pipe is this way, so I'm stuck this way.
But how would
So
you
I
be
can't
stuck
move.
in that
I
pipe?
don't know. I've had dreams of being stuck in that. So imagine my body had to have that much Bhujangasana. You can't. Not even Bhujangasana. That full. If you're. Yeah, it's terrible. Nothing is scarier than that. What do you mean?
So you've had dreams about this.
Yes, very vivid ones, repeatedly.
But why do you think you've had
I don't
such
know.
dreams?
I don't
Have you
know.
seen somebody
Stuck in that? I don't know.
Stuck, or something happened during your childhood that has
No one
stayed
has
with
put
you?
me into that.
Maybe some experience that happened that must have
Maybe, and I
made
blocked
you-
it out. I block out all things. I dust them under the carpet and pretend like they didn't happen. So I don't know. As far as I currently remember, no one has shoved me into a pipe. But I do this with a lot of negative, bad emotions and experiences. I just blank them out. And I have an elephant's memory otherwise. I remember my whole life since I was like 3 very vividly. But bad experiences.
But so you've mentioned this in a lot of your interviews.
Correct.
I have seen a couple of them leading up to this one. And you've mentioned one thing very vividly in almost all of your interviews is you do not share your negative thoughts as much as you do with your positive thoughts or positive experiences or positive emotions. Why do you not share your negative thoughts or your negative emotions with people around you?
I don't know how to.
What do you mean you don't know how to?
नहीं आता है मुझे. नहीं होता है.
Kyun? What is like? How do you share a positive emotion?
Sharing, because positivity is easier to share and happiness is easier to share.
Give me an example of like a negative emotion which you find difficult to share.
If I'm crying or miserable and sad about something, I won't pick up the phone and tell someone that. I will sit and wallow in self-pity alone. Yeah, but if I'm happy about something, I can share it with everyone.
But आपको नहीं लगता आप pent up फिर वो how do you
हाँ,
deal
पर
with
अभी
it?
मैं perfect नहीं हूँ ना.
मैं पूछ रहा हूँ मतलब I don't know, like I'm just trying to understand how do you deal with that pent up emotion in that case. If
चला
it's
जाता है
inside you,
उसके
it's
बाद.
inside you for how long?
नहीं, वो चला भी जाएगा ना. It's not that if I'm crying or something, you don't cry forever.
हाँ, but
Some other happy thought will come and we'll all get happy and be okay with a lot of things.
that is
Emotions are fleeting, no? It's very difficult to be in one emotion. Think about it. Even if you're an angry person, like really bad temper,
Yeah.
you're going to be with a really bad temper for how long? You'll also calm down. Even the angriest person on the planet,
What makes you share the positive emotion so quickly?
it's easy. It comes to me naturally. I feel like sharing
And
a
who do you
joyful
share it
thing.
with?
Everyone around. I'm it very naturally happens with my team or anyone who's around. If you are there and I even don't know you, I will include you in my happy emotion. And even on set, there are so many people, new people. Your own.
But do you
people
feel
are-
that you want to share a certain camaraderie with the person, a certain proximity or a closeness with the person, and then only you will be able to share a negative emotion? Or do
No,
you
even
feel
if I have extreme camaraderie and I know
Nahi.
somebody for like 10, 12 years, all my really close friends are people who I know from school.
Correct.
They also know this about me, but they know this about me.
कि नहीं share करेगी. So nobody can
but I
tell
don't-
if whenever Ada has been like at her lowest point or is
Yeah,
sad
I
ever.
can put on a very this thing front.
You were
won't
meant to
know.
act.
Probably, I think. Yeah, very
Because
possibly.
ये conclusion मेरे को इसी से निकल के आ रहा
Yeah, maybe. Totally, I can totally mask it. You'd never know. Even people like closest to me will never know if I'm like low or I won't show it. And I think I do a very natural job of it, so they won't really know.
है. But do you think I want to really talk about this emotion of yours because I really want to understand कि do you think this is healthy?
Who's
Like
to
not-
define अभी healthy not
आपके
healthy?
हिसाब से
Yeah, for me it works really well. I think wallowing in that same emotion and discussing it will just bring me even lower, and distracting myself and doing other stuff gets me okay really soon. I'm pretty much like my general core is being happy. So I have to just get back to that emotion because my general core is being joyful and happy, and that is me.
वो देख के
That
समझ
is
में
my-
आ रहा है in
that's
terms
my
of the
general core
entire
anyway.
body language it
That's my
seems that
general
you are very
core,
like chill
yeah,
raw
yeah.
unfiltered.
So that's my general this thing. But I do have now bouts of highs and lows, and being in the industry, you get free training of all those emotions, the ups and downs. Like I can go through. Yeah, I've had like an acting class every day almost of my life, whether you're on set or not.
Correct.
So I think
Interesting. Very interesting. I think this is something that I really want to understand whether because a lot of times men usually face this where they don't share their emotions.
a lot of testosterone in my body.
So I think it's interesting how you just cope up
Yeah,
with your
for me, yeah. So if I'm in a relationship with somebody, that's very difficult for the other person. So then I choose to not make things difficult for the other person, not be in relationships. But yeah, if someone knows me for long, like I said, my school friends and all know, they know me really well. So they know I'm not deliberately shutting anyone out or something. It's just I don't want to feel like I'm burdening somebody else with this.
But why do you feel so?
अभी होता है मैं क्या
मैं पूछ रहा हूँ मतलब मैं जानना चाह रहा हूँ कोर इसका बेस इसका फाउंडेशन जानना चाह
I
रहा हूँ
don't like to. I've actually not given it so much thought and.
सोचो
this
ना एक
thing
बार थोड़ा सा टाइम लेके एक बार सोचो
मैं सोच के हाँ बट देन आई थिंक देयर इतनी अच्छी चीज़ें हैं लाइफ में सोचने के लिए ये सब क्या ही है लाइक
नहीं,
फील
important
दैट
नहीं है।
इमोशन क्या आई थिंक इट्स रियली ओवररेटेड ऑफ सब लोग मेरे आसपास कंप्लेन और क्रिब कर रहे हैं पूरा दिन और इतने दुखी है कंप्लेन क्रिब करके और दुखी हो रहे हैं और क्रिब और कंप्लेन कर रहे हैं दे आर सेइंग दे आर talking and cribbing and complaining, they're becoming more dukhi. And then I see I'm way happier than all these other people and like way happier than all the people cribbing and complaining around me. So then I think I don't want to become like this. We meet people so many times in our lives, right? Where we feel, I want to be, ye insan kitna mast hai. I met people and I feel ki I want to become like this. Like, I had done this movie with Puneet Rajkumar. It was my first Kannada movie. And, sorry, kya? Baal pe touch kar raha hai. I knew. See, the bal is not
you
me.
are so particular love it
Not me, it's him. He did that to her. I read his lips. He said baal touch ho raha hai. I was looking at you, but I was reading his lips. You said baal touch ho raha hai. See, I told, but क्या करे अभी बाल है तो क्या तो टच होने दो नहीं मफल्ड ऐसे साउंड हो रहा है नहीं आप बोलो सोल्यूशन बोलो ना नहीं ऐसे आप दुखी मत होना ना ऐसे मत बोलो आप बताओ ना क्या कर सकते हैं
नीचे ले लीजिए उसको क्योंकि बाल जब आप मुंडे से हिला
हाँ ठीक है आई टेल यू एक मिनट यू हाँ बाल इधर रखो और इसको हाँ कीप दिस वेयर इट डजंट ट्रबल हिम
क्या क्रेजी बंदी है यार अदा
आई एम फीलिंग हिज एंजाइटी आई वाज फीलिंग एंड ही
टेंशन मत
वाज
ले यार आकाश तू बोल
हाँ
क्या
बस
कर तू
बोल
बता ना,
हाँ
tension क्या ले रहा है
सोल्यूशन
इतना?
बता यार आई ऑलवेज नहीं
इतना
इसको रिमूव एंड पुट हियर इट विल टच अगेन एंड वो और दुखी कौन से मैं इधर लगाते हैं ना हाँ मस्त फिर कोई बाल नहीं होगा एंड मैं ऐसे नहीं करूँगी फिर.
हाँ वो
नाइस. हाँ,
तूने क्या साइड इसको?
मैंने बराबर किया, वो ऊपर चाहिए था पूरा.
ऐसे हम रख सकते हैं. अरे पहले ही बोलना चाहिए था. बिकॉज आई वॉज लुकिंग एंड देन
Where
ही
did you
वॉज
put down?
हियर ऑन दिस.
हाँ ठीक है, परफेक्ट.
है ना. He was getting sadder and sadder and sadder and sadder, and I was feeling like ये इतना. Then he told her his grief. See, solution, always solution ढूंढना चाहिए.
मेरा फेस ही है.
हाँ, नहीं नहीं, अभी आप खुश हो, ग्लो कर रहे हो, देखो आप इतने खुश लग रहे हो. अभी परफेक्ट है ना. Unless I do this, that will be a problem. But I won't do that. Sorry, we're talking about something.
क्या crazy बंदी हो यार. Are you an actor who has a lot of tantrums on set, or are you very chill with however it's happening, and you just make sure that you are not like
You should
bothered
ask
by
people I work with. I will say I'm not, no, but we
No, but-
never can believe an actor. मैं बहुत अच्छी हूँ, मैं किसी को तंग नहीं करती हूँ, and I'm very sweet on set and kind.
No, but what are
I
you
can
most
say
particular
this.
about? ऐसे तो
My
फिर
performance.
how do I?
No, I mean I can say, but you shouldn't believe me. You shouldn't believe actors actually. कुछ भी बोलते हैं.
पक्का.
I mean, मैं कुछ
ये एंगल अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे को. आप बताओ. Who should?
shit.
Why should I not believe actors?
I don't
Are
know.
they
I'll
faking it
have a-
all the time?
No, not like that. But if they're talking about themselves, or if a PR of an actor, you've read some article who says you're a lovely human being, and I don't know if you should exactly believe every single
How do I put a filter then?
intuition. That's the only thing. I mean,
सच बोलना कड़वा होता है. Anyway, it puts you into a problem. And even if you're more so if you're a woman. Why?
yeah. अभी why मुझे नहीं पता. That's
बताओ
how
ना,
दुनिया
आप ऐसे
function
ही-
करती
आप
है.
ऐसे ही थोड़ी रैंडमली बोलोगे कोई भी चीज. आपके पास
दुनिया
कुछ तो थॉट होगा
function
ना.
ऐसे करती है.
क्यों? मतलब कैसे? Like you must have seen, you must have had some experience, no?
Everything in the world, no, you don't think so. If you tell the truth, it is.
But why more so if you're a woman? Why that?
I have noticed if you have male genitalia, you're treated differently in the world. And if you don't have a penis, you're not.
Give me
That's just how it is. I
a
don't
story.
know.
I'm not letting you like this, go like this.
What do you
What is
mean?
it? There must be some experience that you must have had in the industry where you've said something.
See, the industry is a
truthfully.
reflection. The industry is a reflection of the world. The world is a reflection of the industry. They are the same thing. It's not कि industry एक चीज है and world एक चीज है. They're all the
in
same.
general, अगर कोई experience हुआ हो that you must have had,
I mean,
and you
now if I
think
have to
this
say,
way,
like anything, no, I don't know. Like doing a movie like Kerala Story, suppose you tell the truth, it is going to be difficult, and you have to walk a difficult path. Anything, no. Are you tell someone the truth? Would you be as truthful and to somebody like you look ugly today, or you know, I'm not looking at any human in case. I'm just looking at, or you know, you're fat, or you know, I don't know. It's gonna be. We don't know.
truth is harsh is something I get.
That's what I was saying. हाँ. हिंदी में वही चीज तो बोला
अरे
मैंने.
नहीं, but आपने mention किया ना कि
तो
more
वैसे
so if
है.
you're a woman.
वो है. अब क्यों है and all I don't know. अभी ये दुनिया है. आप लोग सब जो देख रहे हैं अभी, और आप भी आप ट्राई करके अभी आप देखो. You will only come back with like 10 examples.
मेरे पे डाल दिया आपने कि मैं देखूं.
मीन सब एक्सपीरियंस करो. मेरी बात मत मानो अगर नहीं मानना है. ये मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है.
हाँ, मतलब
मे
मैं
बी
वही-
आपका नहीं होगा. मे बी कोई और बोलेगा नहीं. इफ यू आर अ वुमन इट्स वेरी इजी इन द वर्ल्ड टू नेविगेट योर वे. And maybe somebody else will say, whatever, everyone's experiences are different. I just feel this is it. But, हाँ ऐसे ही है. जो है वो है यार, मैं क्या करूँ. जो है वो है.
How are you so close to animals around more than humans? Is what I've understood from your profile.
I think animals are very straightforward and very. I mean, what they are is what they are. Like if a bear wants to eat you up, you know, he's a bear who'll come and be like and eat you up. And if you're a sweet goat, you know, you'll come like that and be so sweet. But if you're a human, I don't know. You could be a bear who's, you know,
Pretending to be a goat.
pretending to be a goat. I'm not sure. So yeah. easier.
I'm not sure if I get the answer. Break this down a little bit more.
What is it?
Because you
Of course
work
you get. You seem
around.
intelligent enough to understand. No, what is
I
it?
seem intelligent, but the
Yeah.
point is, when it comes to working around and working, when you trust animals more than you're comfortable with
No,
animals
I'm
more
very.
than.
I very easily trust people. Also, I'm a very trusting person. I'm a very trusting person, and I like to live my life like that. I don't like to be shakky in anything. Like if someone is if I've decided to work with someone and make a movie with them, I'd like to believe that this is, they want to make a good film. I would like to believe that. I don't want to have shak. When you become a shakky person, I feel you become really unhappy. I don't want to be that person.
Has this relationship with animals been forever since you were a kid?
Yes. Maybe I saw that with my mom also, and she's very comfortable with
Animals.
animals. And like, I've
You
seen
have
her
pets
rescuing.
around?
No, because I love animals. I don't want to cage them and keep them in the house. Also, if I want to keep a domesticated animal at home, I should be at home. I'm never at home. If I'm going to Kumbh and all, my mind will be at home. If I'm going to shoot, my mind will be... and I get very attached very soon too. So, but I do have, like, I have squirrels who visit and I shared some video.
I saw the video. Talk to us about that. What were you doing sitting
That was
near?
so strange, no? The drum thing,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
thought the squirrel would not like or would be scared. So I started gingerly, but the squirrel got like even more excited and called two other squirrels. And now whenever we do the drum, that the squirrels come running in to eat. I don't know. That's quite strange. I don't know what
You
the
also did that for the
connection-
first time only.
For the first time I did that. When I recorded the video, as you saw, I was dressed in homely attire. Carefully disheveled homely attire. No, I was just trying that out. Not for the squirrel. Like generally I was learning something on it. And the squirrel just came soon.
Let's come to the noises that you can make from what all birds and animal noises you can make.
Oh my God, I almost feel like I'm that, Ada beta, koyal bano, kawa bano, chidiya
Chalo,
bano.
let's
I should
feel
think of
like
somebody
that
who
for
I've
a while.
not done before. The favorite is who are those sparrows, but there's you know what kites do?
यार ये बहुत क्रेजी है यार. ये आप कहाँ से सीखा आपने? कब से सीख रहे हो ये?
Birds
कब
से
कर रहे हो?
सीखा।
कब से कर रहे हो?
बचपन
अरे कहाँ कैसे पिक किया इस
उनसे
बर्ड से किया वो तो ठीक है.
हाँ, उनको बोला सिखाओ और सिखाया
Come
सीख
on.
लिया ऐसे.
मतलब इन
But that's exactly how it happened. They know, people who actually like hang with me know I actually mean it. I'll be like, teach, I want to learn, and they'll teach.
Go for it. You were saying something
So
else.
sorry, so kites do it might sound like a horse, but it's not a horse. It's a kite. They do this. And during
बार फिर से
mating
करो kite.
season, it sounds like a witch's laugh or like a horse, but it's not. This is what kites do. And during mating season, it's all the time. I don't know when mating season is. I've not followed that. I think it's like March to May, I think. But this is what I do. I do
It's
this all.
crazy how you
that's what
know
I do.
everything.
Yeah, that's what I do full time. I act like part time. That's what I'm like focused on full time. Pigeons who are always like, I think I'm like a crow. You know, crows you never see romancing publicly.
With
Have you
cows,
ever seen,
with crows, with pigeons? You see them romancing.
They are
all the time.
only like having threesomes or like I've never seen a pigeon sit solo. Very rare. And they're always like enticing the mate and then no, you've not seen, I mean, you live in Bombay, you've not seen pigeons.
I've seen.
Then
seen.
why are you looking at me like I'm speaking
No, but it's
ill
as
about
if
the
you've
pigeon
given
community?
so much time to this. It's crazy.
Yeah, I'm not, but the pigeon community is like this. They're all just. And the crows, you'll never see crows romancing publicly. Ever. Have you ever seen? You'll see, if you see one crow feeding the other, it's usually the mum feeding the.
How does a crow
baby.
sound? What
The
animals
generic.
you've not done so far?
That kite, maybe. I was thinking.
And the dog?
Which one?
In general, the dog.
Generalized dogs. That's like saying humans कैसे sound होते हैं. There'll be some people who talk like this. There'll be some people who talk like that. Humans and don't generalize the dog community. Very stereotyping dogs.
I'm not. I'm anyway.
They're very upset.
I'll make sure they're not upset. But anyway, I want to come to the Ada Ki Radha wala story. It's a pillow.
It's a pillow.
How did it come about? Why did you want to have it? Why is it cat shaped? And you mentioned as well that that page also does brand collabs now.
Yeah.
Go for it. Please.
So she has like some 250 lakh followers. And yeah, it's a pillow. It keeps me very grounded to know that nepotism rocks, I guess. Adha Sharma's cat is, Cat Pillow is getting brand collabs. And
But where did this idea come from? Why the pillow? Why the cat pillow? Why does it have a page? Why does
okay,
it?
you
how
have to
does it
know
do
this about
brand
me, and maybe I should have
collaborations?
said this right in the beginning of this podcast. I do like 90% of the things in my life, not even 90, I think 98, actually 100 of the things in my life I do without agenda or reason. Okay, and I will go to the brink of insanity to perfect it, or to, without reason. I don't wait for knowing what gains I would get out of it. And that's how I like living life. When you live without agenda for everything, we're always like, what do you take back from it? What do you get out of doing it? I don't. Sometimes I just do things. I don't know. I do a lot of things in my life without agenda, or without what am I going to get out of this? I've done movies also like that without.
Just thinking कि क्या मिलेगा
को
इससे,
करना
क्या
है
है,
ये,
बस करना है. And this would just be basis the script. This would just not be कि
नहीं, मैंने प्यार के
nothing
लिए भी
else.
किया है. I've done movies on the basis of मेरे को ये director सही लगा यार, he's going to make a really great film. I'll do. So many, it's not just basis of script, it's प्यार के लिए किया है, मजे के लिए भी किया है. I've done. I did this project called The Holiday once. I mean, it did really well and everyone liked it and all, but I did it because I thought maze aayenge. And I like these people, yeah. I met them and I thought, what a cool show. This girl goes on a bachelorette with 3 of her guy friends. Non-romantic thing. And they're friends and they're buddies. And I thought, maza aayega. And I was doing other really serious, heavy stuff. So I thought, okay, karte hai, maze aayenge.
Talk to us about the Kerala story. Something behind the scenes that not people know about, because ऐसे character-wise or how life changed after Kerala story is something that I've heard in a lot of
Yeah.
interviews.
Stuff
Some
that we don't
behind the scene that the audience doesn't know.
So the interrogation, the movie is divided into 3 parts. Have you seen it?
I have seen it.
So the 3 parts.
Love it.
there's-
I absolutely loved it.
Thank you.
And I was like, wow.
Yeah, that's
What
the
am I
effect
watching?
we wanted. Wow. Thank you.
Yeah.
Glad. So it's divided into 3 portions. One is the college portion, one is the Syria, Afghanistan portion, and one is the interrogation room. So Sudipto Sir, my director, decided to start the movie with the interrogation scenes. And on the first day, he decided he'll start with 37 pages. Okay. Now, for those who don't watch movies and all, we usually shoot 3 pages a day. Okay. And this is 37 pages of just me talking. There was no other dialogue now, because I'm sitting there and I'm telling them the story. So the whole movie turned out to be 4 hours when he did the first cut. We've edited it down to 2.5. But I'm narrating the whole story. So whatever you see, I'm narrating it in the Malayali accent over that. So, and I didn't want it to sound very obvious. It should sound subtle. Over that, there is Hindi in the Malayali accent, which has to come very naturally. It has to flow. So I have practiced this, and we had time workshops and all. And then he said 37 pages. I said on the first day, he said, yeah, I want this expression on your face of you're going to be so stressed. I said, sir, how are we going to shoot 37? So he said, yeah, and we'll do like 2 pages at a time. And when you can go beyond, just go. And I said, really? So he said, yeah, because you should feel the real emotion and you should feel stressed, because imagine the situation. She's there speaking to these delegates who don't speak Hindi. There's one man who can speak Hindi, and
Correct.
the stress level for you should be so high. And I was like, I'm already stressed thinking about it. So yeah, that's the first day of shoot. We started with that, where I say, please help me. And the guy from there is saying, Shalini, are you a terrorist? And so yeah. So my heart pumping. And I knew that this is a story we're telling of these girls who, I knew it was a really important thing that I've been given the responsibility to do. So the pressure was, I love pressure though.
But you pulled it off really well. I mean,
I enjoyed that kind of pressure when people are nice to me with the pressure. He was a very kind director and he was so nice, and Vipul sir and him was so supportive of making this good movie that then I'll give my life for directors like that. You have, but you have, I mean, you work with so many kinds of people. Then you have those, and first that used to affect me when people did that on set. Because I was like, gali mat do. At home, everyone talks in low tones, or, no one screams with. Then I decided, in the Yoga Sutras, Patanjali ji has said Pratipaksh Bhavna, which is feel the opposite emotion. Like if I have hatred towards you, I should try to convert that into love. But that's very difficult to do. For me, at least, I'm not so evolved. So what I try to do is then imagine that director as a grihani in the kitchen cooking food, and then try to feel like I mean, you get like some really people like, move the light. What are you? The things don't get done fast. It takes very long. It takes longer because now everyone around you is panicking. You've asserted your power.
Did you have a voice coach for Kerala Story?
Yes.
How long did
Narayan,
you
sir.
take to put on the accent?
I put it on the beginning, maybe it was really bad. But we got a good amount of 3 months of training and 4 months of training before the film started. And I also, my granny's sister, my granny's side, they're all from Kerala. So spoke to her every day. And I made her correct my accent. Like, I kept speaking in a mix of Malayalam and... so that every time you say, we'll say, like, I'll only do, I will only, the la has to, but I will only do this. It should not come caricaturish because this is not a movie where it's to elicit laughter. A lot of times the South Indian accent is used to evoke laughter or, have a joke. This was supposed to come in really serious scenes. And my fright was that my insecurity was, I'm thinking of other insecurity things, but was that it shouldn't ever come out at a place where you, at a thing, goof at a thing which is a serious thing because we're talking about serious things. And
Correct.
it shouldn't be
Absolutely.
like, I'm pregnant too, and you shouldn't be like, ha,
Ha.
But accents are they're so fun. I mean,
You enjoy
I really
taking
enjoy-
on accents?
I really enjoy.
Can you do the multiple accents you can do? One by one if you can.
The fun thing is actually for Commando, I had this Telugu accent. I'd auditioned for Commando as a Punjabi girl. That was a Haryanvi accent actually.
Do the multiple accents you can do.
What I used for, like mimic up an actress like that accent or no, that we'll just get into trouble. No more. I don't
But why? Like just do the number of, say you must have learned Punjabi, you must have learned Telugu, you must have learned Tamil.
like that Haryanvi. I did in Rita Sanyal, I did quite a few.
Go for it. Like do
Badi
multiple
dhruv,
accents in
I'm
multiple
thinking of
languages.
now what
It'll
my
be fun
lines
for the
were,
audience.
yeah.
Any line that you can do.
बुट्ठे नहीं सीख के पॉपकॉर्न हो जाएंगे. That was the Haryanvi. I had very nice line. Can't remember it. Then there was one which we modeled around.
Do this again. The
घनी
Haryanvi one.
धूप हो रखी है अंदर बैठ लो थोड़ा ये पुट्ठे बुट्ठे नहीं सीख के पॉपकॉर्न हो जाएंगे. I'm talking to these two Musthanda guys, and I'm Priti Sabarwal, journalist reporter, Haryana Times. So that was one. I had a coach for that also. And accents are so volatile, I feel now. There's no practice for so long, so it could just go away. But when you have someone nitpicking
Coaching
it,
you, yeah.
then it's really nice. Then there was one which I was supposed to be a waitress who was really beautiful. So I thought a beautiful voice. And then the director and me, we decided to do a voice of this actress who we thought is very beautiful. And so I spoke in her voice, which I thought was a really beautiful voice. And then I mixed it with another actress. So you won't know exactly who it was. You'd know exactly who I'm doing. And then we might get into trouble. But that's one voice that we used. And
Who is this one?
you won't know. I mixed it with two.
But
So you
tell
think
me.
it's her and you think it's her. No.
But I can't tell.
That's the point. It should be. The other one also we mixed with too because I was like, no, I don't want someone to say. I think mimicry is actually flattery because you have to watch that person so many times.
Imitation is the greatest form of
It
flattery.
is. But sometimes it's not considered that. In our country, sometimes it's like,
Mazak
mazak uda rahi hai.
Mockery.
It's not that. It's actually, matlab, how much have I had to watch you closely? I love
It's
mimicking
fun
people.
because I used to like mimic a couple of my school teachers.
Mimic
and
somebody.
I don't know, like this is. I used to mimic Abhishek Upmani, who was a comedian. Like, ऐसी क्या बात हो गई? तो कर लेते हैं फिर. तुमको मैं बोल रहा हूँ बाहर मत जाओ. मैं माइम से आया हूँ. So he speaks with a lisp.
That's actually have you done this to him? He'll actually be very proud of
No,
you.
I've put out a video on Instagram. I put out a reel.
And did you tag him or something?
Yeah, he
He'd love
replied
it.
saying, "तेरी शक्ल भी मेरे से मिलती है." So it's just like funny
Sweet.
that way.
Okay.
So but then again, like people enjoy it.
Yeah.
People are like, आज की तारीख में. This is Swami. This is Gaur Gopal Das. आज की तारीख में, and he's a Krishna bhakt. So he's
I was trying to shut my eyes to see if, to imagine him.
Well, it is what it is. It's like a little heavy way.
Nice.
Sadhguru.
Yes, but you must have had to. Oh, Sadhguru.
Well, it is what it is. You get me? Yes, no, hello.
You're good.
So,
Oh, with the hello also you put that.
but what's one project? What's like your dream project? Do you have like a dream project?
No. Honestly, I really don't. Because I would never have dreamed of starting off with a horror film. And that's like the wowest thing. One of the wowest things I've done and that people know me for. And when people dream, then they dream of working with this director and this actor. But then if that is what I had dreamed of, I would not get Kerala Story, right? That would go to somebody else because my dream would be to work with that director and that hero.
So then you were very strong with your manifestation. You manifest a lot in that case.
We all do. It's nice to have faith in something.
Why are you bringing in we all do? Just talk about...
Because we're all the
because I
same,
want to-
yeah.
We're
Like some
not.
log say, everyone is exactly the same. And I think once we all realize that, it'll just be easier for everyone. We are identically all the same. We might all say some slightly different things here and there. We are the same. Like I meet, I don't know, everyone, we are all the same. Like you and me, we are the same people. We all have the same hopes and dreams. We all have the same, like, everything's the same. What is different? We all have the same goals. We want to be the best at what we are doing. Who wants to do a wishy-washy, shoddy job of anything? No one does. Everyone wants to do like really well. Everyone wants to be really nice. No one wants to be angry and mean. Everyone wants to be really kind. Everyone wants to be really nice. Everyone wants to be nice looking. Everyone wants their hair not moving. But then some, you know, we all...
Dubey tu to gaya bhai. Doing a film like the Kerala Story, does it take a toll on you personally when you go back to your place and you're like, what did I pull off today? Like, do you do this to yourself?
What
do you
did I
self-talk?
pull off? I don't give myself so much credit and pacify my ego. I don't try to not do that.
Or do you think about the character that you're playing and then, because it's a real life story,
Yeah,
when you
yeah,
think
that
about
I do.
the kind of things that's happening in real life and then you get to play a part
Yes,
in
all
the
of
film.
that I do. I don't think after that, मैंने क्या किया, वो I don't do. Because I don't want to think about that. That will affect my next day's thing and that will affect my... And once I start making it about how I'm going to perform or I'm going to cry like this or I don't think you should think of... Because that girl is trying to not cry. The
Correct,
scene is her
correct.
not crying.
Correct.
Tears are coming, but she didn't want to cry. She's talking to her mother and saying, I'll come back. The audience will cry if they liked how I acted. I can't act now to say, let me act so that they will cry watching me cry. Because if I cry and say, that's not nice. So I have to try to not cry. And then if the tears will have to come because that's the whole point. So all that I don't. I just try to be in the moment then. Because there's so much you've done before that. On a movie set, how much ever you try to curate or... there are too many distractions. I mean, there's a guy standing there digging his nose and scratching himself. And, you know, you have to be okay with... There are a lot of distractions on set. They're like, light hatao, wo light yahan pe dalo, yahan pe wo burkha yahan se aa raha hai, ya ye hatao, wo ek baal aa raha hai yahan pe. Those things are happening. I'm joking, yeah. No, he knows I am. But there are a lot of distractions on set.
Yeah.
And my focus is that accent. My focus is the line and... I don't have to. And the accent actually then became secondary because I'd done it so many times before. On set, I like to just be in the moment. I feel if you're in the moment, wo aise emotions aa sakte hai that will not come if you curate it. And because sometimes when I'm acting with you, you'll do something that I will react to. But if I've come planned that I will say this, then look away, then say this. No, but when I looked at it, maybe you did something that I want to take and do something with. So I like to be in the moment when you're filming. I can blink one eye at a time. Okay? Like right and left. Can you do that? It's very difficult. They say like a very small percentage of people can do it. Not blink like both. You have to blink one eye at a time, like right and left separately.
A lot of actors who can do the tongue to the nose, they call it their talent.
That all I don't know. Eye you can do or no? Eye
No,
right,
this
left
I
you can
don't.
do.
This I can't.
Very difficult.
What
It's very
else?
difficult. There is... ये enough nahi hai? I thought you'll be mighty impressed.
No,
and
I am
be
mighty
like,
impressed.
Please be mighty impressed.
But
That is,
if
she
we can pull off
like
a little-
one eye, it's so difficult. Not both. Right and left. And then...
try karo.
And आप try करो. And then, उसके बाद left and right.
मेरा तो सिर्फ राइट ही बंद होता है, लेफ्ट बंद ही नहीं
इसका और
होता.
मेरा हो रहा है कैसे? He is part
तेरा
of
भी हो रहा
that
है?
elite percentage of people.
अरे वो तो विंक कर रहा है प्रॉपर.
विंक नहीं करना है.
Blink कर.
आंख नहीं मारना है. लाइन नहीं
हाँ,
मारना
line
है.
मत मार.
ऐसे नहीं. लाइन नहीं मारना है.
लाइन नहीं मारना.
लाइन नहीं मारना.
लाइन मार रहा तू.
लाइन नहीं मारना.
लाइन नहीं मारना. एक आंख like you have to blink. Not wink. Wink तो
आप लाइन मार रहे हो मुझ पे, मुझे लगता आप मत लाइन मारो, ऐसे कौन लाइन मारता है?
ऐसे कोई
ऐसे कौन?
he is not being
ठीक है,
able to do.
फिर
Can
लाइन
you
मार
do it,
लो।
तान्या? ये लाइन मार रही है मेरे पे।
हाँ लाइन मार रही है, लाइन ठीक है,
ऐसे
लाइन
कौन लाइन मारता है यार, तान्या?
ऐसे कौन, ठीक है, पर ऐसे ही तो लाइन मारते हैं। मैं तो फिसल जाती अगर कोई ऐसे
तू भी फिसल जा भाई।
हाँ हाँ, नहीं बहुत अच्छा था, मैं तो फिसल गई। हाँ ऐसे कोई लाइन मारेगा, आई लाइक या थोड़ा करो। आई लाइक पीपल हु डू समथिंग। I don't like chill people. I mean, this is chill, right? Not like that.
Thanks.
No, not like that. Not like that. Like I like people who are not dheela. Like that I meant. There's a difference between chill and dheela.
कर दो, explain कर दो.
Like मतलब.
We're back to school now. Explain कर दो.
I
ढीला और
like if
chill.
you're trying too hard, people मेरे को पसंद है. I like. I'd rather that you're trying too hard than you're not doing anything. तो कोई आँख मार रहा है and all, तो at least कोई effort कर रहा है. तो I don't mind. मैं तो मतलब मैं प्यार में हो सकती हूँ, पढ़ सकती हूँ फिर. I've realized I have not. I've realized my skill of answering after this is not so great, is it? I need to like polish these skills. I
Either
think
I
I
am
need
asking pathetic questions.
No, why this is not going well,
because,
is it?
No, it is going well.
okay.
I'm just trying to understand कि
I'm not
when
able
you say
to elaborate
कि
on
ये,
things. हाँ.
And you're like, मैं और क्या बोलूँ? मतलब
Okay, I think that is the fault of
keep
my
going.
upbringing. Let's blame it on my parents. But I think it's no, but it is true. अभी जो है वो है. Okay. No,
Truth
they've
is
never
not
asked
always
me.
harsh.
They've never asked me reason for things. Maybe that's why. If I say something is like this, they've not maybe asked me why
They
are you
just
saying
accepted
that.
whatever you've said.
No, not like. Not like that.
They've
I'm
never reasoned you.
not reasoned, but if I say like I feel something about something, they don't say why do you feel this and not this. I've been allowed to feel I've been allowed the privilege of having opinions that I want to have. Always. Not that I want to sleep at 10 o'clock and all. My parents have been very strict. Not that at all. They've, like, it was, like, discipline is my family. They're very, very this thing. And not like I was allowed to throw tantrums and all either. But I was allowed to think very freely. The freedom of thought where I didn't have to think that if I thought this, then I'd be questioned about it. Maybe that's why. So it's all my parents' fault entirely.
कि what is it that you wish female friendships had from male friendships? If you can go there.
I'm thinking like really nicely. For me, while growing up though, I didn't have a gender thing ever.
Okay.
My parents never ever told me he's a boy and she's a girl. Also, I was never told that, like Rehan is allowed to, do short put, but you should only do the running. Javelin and short put, you are allowed to do. Mohit and Rehan are doing, you can also do. Okay, and Riya and Devika are doing this, you can also do because they are doing it. So I never had that. I kind of realized gender and male and female things when I joined the film industry, and there, you're conscious about this is a male, and I told you men are more important, and you realize that when you live in the real world, it's not just the industry. The world, after when you grow up, you learn that, okay, औरत की जगह घर में होता, like that.
Yeah, like majorly patriarchal.
You realize that,
हाँ,
na?
ये
Like
problem
एक
तो है.
औरत की जगह, हाँ, we make
Hate
that a
it.
joke on our set also, and then if someone's mean to or talks rudely to a female member, I tell her, या क्या कर रही हो, तुम्हारी जगह तो घर पे है, रोटियां बनाओ गोल गोल और घर में बैठो, सेट पे क्या कर रही हो. Like we try to like make humor out of this dark, that's a very dark situation for me. But so I didn't have that male and female thing, and my male and female friends are still the same ones that were from then. But what male, female, I don't know what they have that males don't have that females. I don't know. I don't have answer. That's same for me.
Fair,
Why we
मतलब
are,
ठीक है in terms of like if that is.
I won't change t-shirt in front of male friend. That's the only thing. I'm thinking of what differences like I would be physically. I might change
physically
t-shirt
नहीं,
if
ऐसा पूरा गड़बड़ जा रहा है.
नहीं, बहुत गड़बड़. No, means अगर male friend है, मैं जितना भी close हूँ उससे, and I've known him from childhood, we know each other from 3rd standard, but I won't
Other attribute wise.
change. This is the basic thing. This is not
Mental attribute.
mental
अगर
same.
कुछ-
सब same है. मैं तो
सब
क्या
पागल
मैं
है.
सब same है. आप मैं same है मैं बोल रही हूँ तो मेरे friends सब same है. Male, female, कोई भी आपका gender जो भी हो, male, female भी नहीं हो, trans हो, आप मेरे को सब सेम लगते हैं, आई कांट टेल, बट हाँ मैं कपड़े चेंज नहीं करूँगी.
वो तो चलो ठीक है. The spirituality thing has always been in there in your life since childhood.
Yeah.
And you strongly believe that it has helped you all the time and there has been a guiding force and you've always felt some energy.
Yeah, we are all energy. Yeah, I mean, felt an energy from a spiritual force. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Yeah, totally. Of course, there's no two ways about.
No, because people like some, when I ask about spirituality, a lot of people are like, no, we don't, I'm not spiritual, I'm not, I don't, like, I don't
You
believe
know,
there's a higher
the people
force.
don't believe there's a higher force, but I've always
it.
said this. No, if also because if you say I'm spiritual, religious, it's like, you know, religious. No, I'm not religious. Religious, religious is not. You can't say, you know, it's like I said, it's considered fanatic if you're religious. But if the person who's closest to you, I don't know if it's your wife or your lover or your person you're having an affair with, your parents, your children, the person who you love the most is in a plane that is with terrorists in it. Are you going to pray to some higher power that person is safe? Then you are spiritual, religious, everything. Then you believe in a higher power. But now just because you're using that to only call upon the higher power when you need it and when you are in difficulty, and just because you're not otherwise, and I don't know, for me, I every day do, whether it's a good day, a bad day, a happy day, a sad day. That's how I start my day.
What do you chant? How do you start your day?
I start with the Hanuman Chalisa and then the Shiva Tandav. And then I look at my phone and everything else. And I end it with Mahishasura Mardini every night. So that is fixed now, whether good day, bad day, whatever it is. Hanuman Chalisa, I didn't know till we were shooting 1920, you know.
Really?
I didn't know it. And everyone on set knew it. And we had that Hanuman Chalisa in the film, right? Where he's... the whole thing he says, I don't have to say it, but they were like, you know, on this line, like Bhoot Pishach Nikat Nahi Aave, on that line, and then Nasero Gharai Sapira on this line, you know. And I almost felt embarrassed because everyone on set knew, and I felt like, oh, I'm the only one who doesn't know.
And then you went back and learned the Chalisa?
I didn't learn. Overnight to learn the whole Hanuman Chalisa is not possible. That was a 4-day shoot. I started then, and then, ego pe le liya. I was like,
Can you do the Stotram once?
It's very long.
A bit of it if you can.
I'll
Your
do something
favorite part
that
if you can.
I'll do something that finishes fast, that finishes in one, because I feel leaving it incomplete.
Go for it.
So, I learned the 32 names of Durga.
Go for it.
So, Om Shri Markandeya Namaha. Shri Durga, Durgarti Shamani, Durga Padvini Varini, Durga Machedini, Durga Sadhini, Durga Nashini, Durga Todharini, Durga Nihantri, Durga Mahapaha, Durga Magyanada, Durga Daitya Lokanavanala, Durga Ma Loka, Durga Ma Thasvarupini, Durga Margaprada, Durga Ma Vidya, Durga Ma Shita, Durga Magyana Samsthana, Durga Madhyana Bhasini, Durga Moha, Durga Maga, Durga Ma Thasvarupini, Durga Ma Sura Samhantri, Durga Ma Ayodhya Dharini, Durga Mangi, Durga Mata, Durga Mya A, Durga Meshwari, Durga Bhima, Durga Bhama, Durga Bha, Durga Dharini, Namavali Mimamyastu, Durgaya Mama Manavaha, Pathet Sarva Bhayan Mukto, Bhavishyati Na Samshayaha, Om Shri Durgam Devi Prapadye, Sharanam Aham Sheshapad, Unmuhulanaya. So this is 32 names of Durga. I think it's such a powerful chant. You feel so...
Yeah, I feel that there is some energy shift for sure. Like there is... I don't know, my eyes were open in the first half, but then I shut my eyes and I just...
Yeah, I think
had this jitter.
Wow. Good to know.
So, yeah.
There's so much power in a lot of things, but I think you have to feel that for yourself. I also don't think you can tell anyone to do or to... And it doesn't work like that. If somebody tells me, ye karo, I will not do. But sometimes you see someone, like my mom, I'm very inspired by her and I see how she lives her life and how happy she is and how amazing her life is. And it's... You want to be like someone and then you say, you know, this person's doing this, so I'll do this. It's like working out also, no? If I tell you, Rose, work out karo, you'll be like, no. But then you see someone's body and you say, aisi body banani. Or I want to be so fit and I want to do a cartwheel like that and I want to somersault like that person, so I'll have to do that to learn it. Maybe.
Got it. Awesome. I think we've had a very interesting chat.
Interesting is your choice of word. Okay.
Yeah, absolutely. I think it truly defines the podcast, the kind of episode we've had today, which is absolutely very candid, very free flowing, very
Great.
unfiltered. I don't think I've had such a freewheeling conversation so far, and we've done like
What?
some
That's
95
crazy.
odd episodes.
Wow, I don't know if that's good or bad, but I'm going to take that as a very good
No, it's
thing.
a very
Okay.
good thing because we
Lovely.
try and I've tried a lot, like I've tried very hard to ask people to be a little more unfiltered because they be very diplomatic. And they're like,
Because you have to, because लोग comments में क्या लिखेंगे ना, it's like that only. They'll say कि ये इसने क्यों बोला, कैसे बोला, and कितना टूट पड़ेंगे.
और
It's like
बहुत
people
difficult
who do
होता है.
या सर्जरी करते हैं, and then क्यों कर रहे हैं, तुम्हारे लिए कर रहे हैं सर्जरी, तुम्हारे लिए डिप्लोमेटिक बन रहे. किसको डिप्लोमेटिक बनना अच्छा लगता है, किसको सर्जरी करना अच्छा लगता है,
सब
किसी
same
को
है.
नहीं लगता है.
सब same है.
सब सेम है. Have you got your wisdom tooth extracted ever?
No.
Have you got a tooth have you got anything broken in your body that you had to?
Bones.
You know how painful that is?
I know.
That's exactly what people do to break their faces and look like that. And वो तुम्हारे लिए कर रहे हैं because you guys in the comments are writing like mean stuff. And diplomatic क्यों? If you say yes, it was a wonderful experience. My parents are lovely and it's all wonderful. You have to say that because of these people in the comments will write Buddhi, Moti, R beep beep ND. You know, people are really mean. So इसलिए लोग
Do you
diplomatic.
focus a lot on comments or do you not
No, I
care?
don't. I'm very strong, but everyone is not. And then you're mean, so then people think you have to be forever 21 forever, right? Even when you're 50. So then you do cosmetic things. Nobody wants to do anything. No one wants to do anything. They are doing mean in the comments. And they're giving diplomatic answers. They don't want to be diplomatic. Everyone wants to be unfiltered. Everyone wants to be chill and
Absolutely. Absolutely.
who wants to be diplomatic? It's such a stress to be diplomatic and to measure your words and, edit out things and only say things. Who wants to be? You just want to be, but then you will be diplomatic, but you will be unfiltered, and then you see niche comments mein there will be full R beep beep and D's full.
Yeah.
yeah, so it's just that. Nahi to everyone same.
सब same
It's
है.
true. Sab same hai. And everyone wants to be unfiltered and stress free. We're all the same. We want exactly the same things. You, me. We all want the same things. Minus the head on the face. I want, you don't want. Otherwise, in broad perspective, we all want the same things. I want you to be happy with it, so I push it away. You want me to be happy and look nice. We want the same thing. We're all exactly the same and we want the same things. I'm repeating it to reinforce it. So if someone's listening
I'm
and
sure.
maybe even one person thinks that what I'm saying makes sense, your life will be so happy when you realize we're same. Be
Thank
free.
you for that wisdom. I'm glad we got that tathastu. But thank you so much for being a part of the show. I had a lot of fun.
Me too.
I was
Thanks.
wanting to shoot this for a very long time. I'm glad we got the opportunity to host you.
Yes. Thank
you
you
so
so
much for
much.
doing this. What were you thinking when you said yes to this?
Not thinking.
Clearly.
Who thinks and says yes?
There are people, yaar.
Think and say.
Yeah, कह रहे सोचा कुछ मिलेगा यहाँ से ये होगा मजा आएगा.
No, in the takeaway thing, I don't do. I think we have to stop that. To be happy in life, professionally successful, I don't know if that works. But that whole thing of takeaway, what do I get from this? No, what are you going to give? You think about that and see how happy your life will be in everything, even in relationships. You want someone, who makes me happy. No, you want someone who you can make happy, who you are happy seeing that person happy. Imagine how happy you'll be because now that control is in your hands. If you just want someone who will make you happy, now what makes me happy today, I won't be happy with that tomorrow. I'm not happy, I'm in bad mood. But now my happiness is making him smile. Imagine how happy I'll be because now my whole focus is, is that takeaway we should not do, I feel. What are you going to give? How can you give someone something and make them so happy? You'll be so happy, I promise. Really. Trial and error, I've done all of it. 100% success ratio.
Awesome. I'll take that as the feedback. I'll again
Parting. Try.
Take
Really
away.
try. Take away, and then you'll never want to take away after that.
this is a good takeaway.
Yeah, so you
but again,
take away,
I did
huh?
not do it for the takeaway. But
Chalo, free takeaway mila, see, without doing what takeaway mila.
See?
Haan, that's it.
Good fun. Thank you so much for being a part of the
Thank
show.
you.
Your thoughts, कैसा लगा आपको show पे आके? Any feedback on that camera?
This was crazy. I've not done, I've done like 2-3 podcasts in total of all. Hai na? More than 3 we've done, I think. This was lots of fun, yeah. I didn't feel like, I don't know what all I've said to get into trouble. We'll find out shortly. But you were really nice. It didn't feel 2-3 therapist wala questions. Thanks, and I know also now. I'm very grateful to this. I know what therapists, they are na like this, similar.
अरे मतलब मेरे को थोड़ी
हाँ,
पता है
और नहीं
सब थेरेपिस्ट कैसे होते हैं.
आपका थेरेपिस्ट ऐसे
मेरी थेरेपिस्ट तो ऐसी है.
ऐसी है.
हाँ, मेरे को ऐसा सवाल
Tell her
पूछती
that
है.
this was very nice.
चाइल्डहुड
Like
में
you
क्या हुआ
raised
था
it.
बताओ.
हाँ,
किसी ने आपको
वैसे
कैसे
ना,
कुछ किया था. मैंने कहा
It
नहीं.
stresses me out
अभी हो
to
रहा है.
even
अभी
answer
बताओ.
that because I always think कि मैं वहाँ जाके क्या बोलूँगी.
You've ever like
Thought of going, yeah, but then I thought if I go, I won't tell her the truth. मैं अपने आप से सच नहीं बोलती हूँ, उसको कहाँ से सच बोलूँगी?
It's a bad idea. Then don't go.
Yeah, disturbing things तो मैं अपने आप से भी छुपा लेती हूँ. I'm like, forget that was so disturbing and let's not think about it ever. Oh my God, what just so shouldn't anyway. So separate, but this podcast was really fun. It didn't feel like a.
सच सच बताओ. What is something that you
Haven't you
didn't
figured
like?
मैं झूठ नहीं बोलती हूँ.
What is something that you didn't like about the show?
What I
About
didn't
this
like.
episode? मजा नहीं आया. Like the one part that you didn't like at all.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. मजा ही आया. कहाँ प्रॉब्लम कहाँ था?
आप बताओ ना.
आई डोंट नो. लोग देखेंगे तो वो लोग बोलेंगे कि ये मजा नहीं. मैं कौन होती हूँ? मैं तो पार्ट थी. मैं तो मजे कर रही हूँ.
वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. आपको मजा आया ना.
मुझे मजा आया. आपको आया मजा?
मुझे मजा आया.
We'll मजा only. We are doing. We think we are so great. We are making videos and putting. Other people
Any
will decide and
project
say
that's
कि
coming up that you want to plug in, that you want to ask people to go and watch, that you're working on, you can plug that.
I'm doing this film on Dr. Ajay Murdia who got IVF here. It's a period film. It's nice. It's different. And I've never played a loving wife before in any of my films. In 1920, I was for the first half a loving wife. So, but
When is it coming out? Any
in
dates
March.
that you can share? March.
It's coming out in March.
All right.
I think that'll be fun. And
Awesome.
other things now, I am enjoying this whole thing of coming out with a trailer and saying, "Hi, I'm doing this." That's more fun than telling people.
Got
There's
it.
a lot of stuff happening. There's action and romance.
We'll
and-
definitely see it on her Instagram. But thank you so much, Ada, for being a part of the show. Thank you so much to the audience who's been hopefully patient till now in
We've
listening to the
spoken
entire.
lots. So what? Some 6 hours we must have spoken.
Yeah,
huh?
8 hours. But thank you so much for watching. I'm obviously going to link Ada's channels in the description. I don't even know who's not following her. But in any case, if you're not, please check her workout. She's very curious to know the duration of the episode. But we'll let that be.
2 hours, 14 minutes we've
Thank you.
spoken.
Oh, bhai, your eyesight is great. 6x6. That's
I have
crazy.
6x6, yeah.
Amazing. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. We have a second channel called Deepak Parekh Clips, which has smaller clippets from the main channel. Please go and subscribe to that as well. I'll see you next Friday, same time at 6 p.m. with a fresh new episode. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.